Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable notifications on Instagram. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first you want to go to your settings app and then scroll down until you see notifications. And then here, just want to click on Instagram and choose allow notifications. So just switch that on if you want to receive notifications, and if you don't want, just switch that off. Okay, so here you can also choose if the notification will be seen on your lock screen, notification center, or banners. So if you want that, just go ahead and click that button. And then there's another way of doing it by again go to your settings and then find your Instagram and then just click on that, and then here go to notifications. So again, just toggle that switch on if you want to receive notifications. If you don't, just toggle that switch off. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.